Hi, this is Dan Collins coming to you live once again from Traders Expo Chicago. Joining me is Chris Hehmeyer from Hehmeyer Trading and Investments. We've just been talking about the Hehmeyer Cryptocurrency Index and how is that doing and it's kind of its purpose.
Thank you, Dan. The index was designed to track and watch the changes of the public's perception of Bitcoin and the other coins. There's a methodology. We rebalance it once a month for coins to stage in and stage out. Currently there are 9 coins. There were as many as 14. Bitcoin today is 70%. And our fund, that's a commodity pool, which gets its Bitcoin exposure in the traditional rails of the futures market, right? That's why it's a commodity pool. So it's a passive index, and the pool's a passive investment. But what's interesting is to me is the discussion that Libra is proposed by Facebook. Some people feel that the introduction of Libra will enhance the way people look at Bitcoin, particularly as a store of value versus a method of payment.
Yeah, I mean, when we looked at cryptocurrencies, there's kind of two things. That was introduced as a currency, it's something you would use to spend on things, but more the focus has been on it as an investment, and you see it go from a couple $100 to 19,000 to collapsing to now where it rebounded once again, which even if you're long, if you use that as a method of payment, you wouldn't be happy if it doubled in price, would you?
Correct. It's proven to not be. Bitcoin is much more like digital gold than it is like a currency. People mostly, the crypto enthusiasts, mostly buy and sell Bitcoin as a method to store value, and hence like gold. We in our shop believe that Bitcoin was the first innovation, and other cryptocurrencies, as they're called. Payments will be the next sort of phase of all of this, and then digitization and tokenization of assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, all assets will eventually get digitized or tokenized on blockchain. But next really is payments, and Libra has brought, because of just the breadth of what Facebook brings, it's brought the discussion and the reality of a digital payment to the masses in an astounding way, and it's going to create a lot of questions that all need to be asked.
Okay. Is there greater demand for it?
For cryptocurrency method of payments?
How you would use it? What do people need this for?
Well, first of all, there's a lot of discussion from Facebook and others, particularly in third world countries where basically the population carries around a mobile device, that if you're in Africa, for instance, and in some country where the currency's not trusted and the government's not trusted, in the marketplace, if I'm going to sell my oranges, I can do that from phone to phone without a bank and without a government and without a currency I don't trust. Bitcoin is not really a good instrument of that. It's much more as a store of value rather than a method of exchange.
Okay. Well, thanks, Chris. It's been great having you here live. We've been live from Traders Expo Chicago.
Thank you.
All right.